On October 13th and 14th, the Restoration Exchange Omaha, a nonprofit dedicated to protecting, preserving, and restoring places of historic and cultural significance, presented the Bemis Park Neighborhood Tour.
My favorite feature of the house is the fact that I can still see the handwork in this. This isn't a pneumatic nail gun, staple gun, brand new material house. This is a blood, sweat, and tears house.
Jess Benjamin and her spouse Amy Wendling's home was one of 10 featured in the annual Restoration Exchange Omaha Home Tour.
10 years ago, we couldn't open a window. All the windows were painted shut or glued shut, so I'm basically dealing with 100 years of sinners.
Jess and Amy's home was moved from its original location in the 1930s. It was originally a barn for the Zabriskie Mansion.
Well, I definitely love the gas lanterns. That's fun to turn on. They also provide a little bit of added heat.
Mark and Vanessa Jewell are the current owners of the Zabriskie Mansion. The home was built by Edgar Zabriskie in 1889.
Actually, he fought with the Union during the Civil War and was wounded during the Civil War. So I actually have his cot, his military cot, I have in the basement.
The Restoration Exchange Omaha offers 3 public walking tours throughout the year along North 24th Street, South 24th Street, and Vinton Street. For the Omaha News, I'm Jessica Wade.